Hi friends, this is Suma from softwaretestingmaterial.com. In this video, we are going to see black box test design techniques. Black box test design techniques are widely used as a best practice in the industry. These techniques are used to pick the test cases in a systematic manner. By using these techniques, we could save lots of testing time and get good test coverage. Knowledge on the internal code structure of the application under test is not necessary to use these black box test design techniques. Let's see the list of black box test design techniques. First one, equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table, state transition, exploratory testing, and last, error guessing. In this video, we see what are these techniques and why we use. In the upcoming videos, we see each technique in detail with practical examples. First technique in our list is equivalence partitioning. This technique is also known as equivalence class partitioning. Using equivalence partitioning test design techniques, we divide the test conditions into partitions. From each partition, we do test only one condition. Assumption is that all the conditions in one partition works in the same manner. If a condition from a partition works, then all the conditions from that partition will work. This technique reduces lots of rework and also gives good test coverage. We could save lots of time by reducing total number of test cases that must be developed. For example, there is a field which accepts numeric value. In this case, we split the test conditions as enter numeric value, enter alphanumeric value, enter alphabets, and so on. We need to test only one condition from each partition. This is because we are assuming that all the conditions in one partition works in the same manner. If one condition in a partition works, then all the conditions in that partition will work. As I mentioned earlier, we will see in detail and practical examples on this in the next video. Second one, boundary value analysis. Using this technique, we take the test conditions as partitions and design the test cases by getting the boundary values of the partition. The boundary between two partitions is the place where the behavior of the application varies. The test conditions on either side of the boundary are called boundary values. In this, we have to get both valid boundaries and invalid boundaries. For example, if we want to test a field which should accept only amount more than 10 and less than 20, then we take the boundaries as 10 minus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 20 minus 1, 20, 20 plus 1. Instead of using lots of test data, we just use 9, 10, 11, 19, 20 and 21. Third one, decision table. It is also known as cause-effect table. This test technique is appropriate for functionalities which has logical relationship between inputs, that is, if-else logic. In decision table technique, we deal with combination of inputs. To identify the test cases with decision table, we consider conditions and actions. We take conditions as inputs and actions as outputs. We will explain what are conditions and actions in detail in next video. State transition. Using state transition, we pick test cases from an application where we need to test different system transitions. We can apply this when an application gives a different output from the same input, depending on what has happened in the earlier state. Some examples are vending machine, traffic lights. Vending machine dispenses products when the proper combination of coins is deposited. Traffic lights will change sequence when cars are moving or waiting. Exploratory testing. Usually, this process will be carried out by domain experts. They perform testing just by exploring the functionalities of the application without having the knowledge of the requirements. While using this technique, testers could explore and learn the system. High severity bugs are found very quickly in this type of testing. And last one, error guessing. Another testing technique is error guessing. This is used to find bugs in a software application based on testers' prior experience. In error guessing, we don't follow any specific rules. It is an unplanned testing technique. Some of the examples are submitting a form without entering values, entering invalid values such as entering alphabets in the numeric field, etc. This is all about black box test design techniques. Thanks friends. If you have any queries, please comment below. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.